Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has enough charge and a steady screen so you won't be interrupted. This matters because UI changes sometimes restart system processes. Once ready, unlock your Oppo and open settings. Make sure you know whether your Color OS version labels the option Home Screen and Lock Screen or simply Display. If unsure, check for similar wording. This first step locates where battery display and font options live so you can change size safely. Now you will navigate deeper. Go to Settings, then Status Bar or Notification and Control Center, depending on your Color OS build. You're looking for battery percentage or battery style. This is where the system controls visibility and sometimes font options. Tap into that menu, and if a font size selector appears, choose a larger option. If only display toggles exist, enable percentage and check display or font options elsewhere. Make sure to preview changes so you see the effect immediately. Finally, apply the larger font or display choice and exit menus to confirm. Color OS often applies changes instantly, but press Save if presented. If the battery percentage lacks a font size control, go to Settings, right arrow display, right arrow font size or accessibility, and increase global UI text. This adjusts status bar numerals indirectly. If the percentage still looks unchanged, restart the phone, and if problems persist, clear the system, UI cache, or toggle the percentage off and on. That troubleshooting step fixes most update glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.